right, so it's saying I'm gonna make it to work at 0%. So this is the only thing about EVs when you're being lazy. I got 2 home chargers in the garage and still was too lazy to go out there and plug the car up. When I was at home yesterday, I think it was like at 14% or so. So I'm on my way to work this morning. I forgot to plug up. Even though I got the alert from the app, which reminds you to plug up, but I still was lazy to go out there and do it, trying to watch that debate or whatever last night. But it's no different from the gas station. You know, you got to go to the gas pump when your thing says E. So, but the thing is, about the EV, it's so convenient to just go and do it instead of, you know, being lazy. Being lazy won't get you anywhere. So hopefully I can make it to work. As I'm doing right now, I'm putting regen in there, braking, putting power back in the battery pack. So let's just see if I can coast on to work there and make it there in time. So wish me luck. Peace. Oh God, I'm at 1% in this traffic. Is the problem. It's in red right there. Come on. Come on, baby. I know my baby can do it for me. Come on. It's just this freaking traffic. So, owners, future owners, EV is the best way to go, but just don't be lazy on going out there plugging it up at night or morning or whatever. That's the only problem. Just don't do it. Tesla makes it easier. They even send you a notification through the app now to remind you to plug up when you're at home. You couldn't have it no easier than that. Stay tuned. Peace. Okay, it was popping up saying stay under below 45 to make it to your destination. I'm at 0. Come on, baby, please. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Come on, traffic. Come on, traffic. See, it said 0, but it went back to 1 because once again I'm putting energy back to the battery pack by, you know, barely giving it a little acceleration, but taking the foot off the accelerator to put energy back in it. Once it's green, that's putting battery energy back in the battery pack. Regenerative braking, the best feature of EVs. All right, stay tuned here. Peace. Come on, people. I just got a couple more feet. Couple more feet to the superstation or regular home charge setup here at work. But since I'm here at work, we don't use the superstations because you got to stay there with your vehicle. And of course, I'm here going to work. Come on, people.
Faced off in the first presidential debate of 2024, and our team was tracking the claims they made. So let's verify what's true and what's false using these sources. The candidates squared off on health care, and Biden claimed he's lowering Trump prices.
Superstation, so I can't just sit around and play around looking for a park, which I'm just gonna have to do superstation for me. I'll do that later.
So that claim to be misleading dollars, but he later corrected himself. And President Biden claimed seniors were paying $400 per shot.
Have one of my guys come move the car for me later. All right, I made it. Thank God. So, I made it. Thank you. Stop being lazy and just go and plug that vehicle up. Stop BSing. And there go the green magic. There you go. All right. EV, baby. I know my legacy. This is a 2013 P85 Plus. I know my baby. But I'll usually don't let my battery get that low because it's not good on the battery doing that. So, by this being a 2013, you want to try to take care of as much as possible. You know what I mean? Peace.